In this video, I'm going to walk you through the best audio settings for the Canon M50 Mark I and Mark II. Now this is going to be a very quick video and I don't want to waste your time, but please consider subscribing and liking this video if this helps you out. So first of all, make sure you're in the video mode with this top dial here, and then once you're in video mode, go into the menu. And then we're going to go on page 1 right here of the shooting menu, and then right here you can see sound recording. So click on sound recording and there's a few different options to go through. First of all, click on this and hit manual. So manual sound recording means you're going to adjust how loud and quiet the audio gets, and this is how you do that right here. So this slider pretty much adjusts how loud or how quiet the audio is going to be. So the farther to the left I go over here, it's going to be quieter, and then the farther to the right here, it's going to get louder. As you can see, these levels are slowly going up towards that 0. So your main goal with this is, with normal audio, whatever you're recording, whether you have a mic attached or where the mic is or anything like that, the sound that you want to capture should be between this 12 and 0. So right anywhere in between here where it turns yellow, that's where you want it to be, but you don't want it to hit that red and go that much farther up. You'd be better off being just below the 12 than going all the way past 0. So as I'm talking, I'm going to kind of just quick adjust this to set it about how I would set it. So this is right, that's still a little too loud. I'm going to keep turning it down here, and that's about where we want it. So you can see it's passing that 12 a little bit, but it's not ever hitting 0 and turning red. Unless I talk really loud or come closer, you can kind of see it's hitting that red there. So you don't want that, but you also don't want it way down here. You want to keep it right around that 12 to 0 mark. So once you have that set how you're going to need it, go down to this right here, which is wind filter / attenuator. Go ahead and click on that, and then with wind filter, we want to keep that disabled. And then the attenuator, what we're going to want to do is actually set that to auto. So the wind filter is actually only for the built-in microphone, but it'll essentially kind of cut out some of the wind noise, but it ends up really distorting your audio a lot and honestly sounds worse than if it was enabled. And then attenuator, this is going to kind of get rid of some of the really harsh sounds. If something really goes past that 0 mark, it'll kind of bring the volume down on it and not make it sound as distorted and harsh as it would without this on. So I'm going to set that to auto just so the camera can kind of tell, if it decides to turn it on, if the audio is getting way too loud, it'll kind of just help out and kick in just a little bit, but it's not going to always be on. And that right there is all of the audio settings on the Canon M50. If you just do all those, you're going to get some great quality audio, especially if you have an external mic, which I would definitely recommend, but that is, going to be solely based on what you need audio for. So I can't really make recommendations on which microphone to get, but with those settings, you're going to be in line to recording some great quality audio with the Canon M50 or the Canon M50 Mark II. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider dropping a like and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.